Everyone, today I'll be unboxing my PlayStation 4 Pro. I know the space is a little bit crowded because I don't have a little bit higher stand for my Note 8 to record. So let's start with peeling off the seal. I've got it on discounted in Romania. It came with God of War 4 Day 1 edition and some premiums around it. I've got it for less than a PlayStation 4 with PlayStation 4 Pro for the price of a lesser PlayStation 4. Yeah. The game didn't arrive because they were sent in different packages, but I also bought myself God of War 3 Remastered because those are my sweet games which I wanted to play. I started with PlayStation 2, the God of War 1 and 2. So I don't know how to do this right. Now it's again on the top. Here is some paperwork on the top. Let me turn it. Here on the side is here are the cables, the micro USB, the power cable, and more. Here is the HDMI cable, the mono headset with the mic, and the PlayStation 4 V2. It's V2 or no? I don't really know the difference between the controllers, but I also have one of these connected to my laptop. Okay, and for the big package inside, I should have pulled from the center. The console itself, it's a heavy one. Sincerely, I don't know how is the PlayStation 4 non-pro at weight. So this is the front. A bit. This is the front. Okay. Here on the front we have two USB 2.0s, the disc tray is here, and the power button here. And on the back we also have some little light here. And on the back, HDMI, the power. This is an aux, digital optical out, USB, and the LAN. Okay, and here, if I'm not mistaken, is the HDD tray here. This is my first impression of a PlayStation 4 because I don't own one, and I don't use one. So I will be turning it on in some moments, and I will plug in my God of War 4 in it. No, 3 remastered edition.